Are you still manually filtering your Excel data every single time something changes? There is a powerful formula called filter that builds a live dynamic. Most Excel users apply the filter dropdown, manually select their criteria, and then copy the results somewhere else. And when the data, here we have a sales table with 3 columns: sales rep, region, and revenue. We want to instantly pull out only the rows where the region is east, without touching the original data at all. The formula is equals filter, then the full data range, A2 to C6, which is everything you want to return, then a comma, then the condition B2 to B6. Look at that. Excel instantly spills all 3 East region rows into the destination area with 0 manual work. Now, here is the magic. If you just learned how to use the Excel filter function to build dynamic self-updating lists with a single formula. If this just saved